Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz. They're going to give you an unboxing and review of the Edifier R980T studio speakers. So what we're going to do is unbox it first. Later on we'll have a sound test. So this is the package you can expect with the Edifier R980T on the side and some specifications on the back. So it tells us that we've got an active bookshelf speaker system, 24 watts total power output, dual RCA inputs for connectivity to multiple audio sources, calibrated flared front facing bass reflex port, 100% MDF wood enclosures to minimise acoustic resonance, and universal 100 volt to 40 volt power supply. And that's really about it there. And what we'll do is now we'll pop into the package and see what they look like. And that is everything that's inside. So we'll take off the plastic, and there we have them there. They're quite similar to a recent set of speakers we did from Edifier. And you get your booklet here, and it'll just tell us the basics of what we have. And this doesn't seem to have a remote, so you have your other cables here, and which is pretty handy to have. So you have all the audio cables that you need, you're powered out, and one speaker here, the left, just has the wires to plug in, so nothing happening on that. We've got some rubber feet on the bottom, and do these caps come off? You do. So you can get a look at the rest of the speaker there, which is pretty nice. Some people like to leave these off or just leave one on, depending on their setup and whatever scenery you might have in their house. I've seen lots of people leave the covers off on both or just one. Everyone's different. And on the back here is where all the IOs are. So we've got your volume here, your bass, your power on and off, your inputs here, your PC, it's red and white there, so you no problem getting mixed up with the cables. And then you have your connections here for the wires for each side. So just simply connect them up, plug them in, and away you go. But there is no remote control on this particular unit, but we do have a nice volume toggle on the back and a nice bass control as well, which a lot of people like their bass, so this is going to give us bass left and right there, or the numbers from each side, so you can go from either side or just have the slap bang in the middle, and that's basically it there. And pretty simple connections here, as you will find on most speakers today, and away you go after that. So stay tuned after break for some sound testing. Hello, this is Jim back with our review of the Edifier R980T bookshelf speakers. These speakers are on the small side and ideal for a small setup. So I've set up a small arrangement here where we have multiple at home, and these are more or less multimedia speakers. Now they've no Bluetooth connectivity, which is a bit of a letdown, but for what they're intended to do, you can just plug and play. So for example, you can plug into your laptop, you can plug into your smartphone, and you can just play away with the music. And they sound pretty good as well for your size and the price you're going to pay for these, is around 60 or 70 euros. Really good sound, really good bass. And on the back, as we have it shown in the unboxing, you've also got these controls here. You've got volume and bass. It's a bit of a nuisance that it's at the back, but it is what it is. Nonetheless, it doesn't take away the stylish look and how subtle they are, and great sound that comes from them. So for ideally, I'd have them in a setup like this. You can of course connect to your computer if you're going to your laptop. Some TVs will allow you to plug them in at the back, some won't. But if you're going through HDMI to your TV, for example, you can still connect them to your TV and have the sound coming out. So I'm going to give you some sample of sound now from the YouTube video, for example. We have the red, black, I think. Yep, we have the red ones. And on the box, the features call out is vibrating effects for complete immersion, built-in sound card with 7.1 sound channels that allow personalised sound mode designed to connect. So you can, as you can see, turn it down from the back, and ease of use and upbuilt. Woven metal mesh design and LED effects. And you can change the bass as well. Well, as I said, the controls at the back, so it's not that big of a deal. Soft leather. Earmuffs offer complete comfort even in extended use. So if you're one of these that game for a long time, ideal. So we just take another look at another Edifier video which I've done, and then I'll plug my phone in, for example, so you can use your phone as well, even just sitting on the side to connect to listen to some music, which is a great idea as well, so it's not too bad. And what we'll do is we'll give you a sneak peek of another video we've coming up, and the internet is a tad slow upstairs. Edifier R980T. Now these are speakers that you want to give you an unboxing and review for the Edifier R980T classic multimedia speaker. And as you can see, this is a particularly big unit, and we look forward to checking out what the sounds like this today. We're just going to unbox it now, and after break we'll do a sound test. So that's the volume down. You have no control. 50%. And you can also use your laptop for control as well, so you have no problem there. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to plug in my smartphone. So for those of you who still have a smartphone with a headphone jack, you'll be pleased to know that it's still work. I'm going to give you a listen to some tunes, and they play really loud from the phone, so take a listen. Also here there's a nice bass to it as well. It's actually quite nice on the back as well, which you can change, and you can hear the difference between. So that's pretty much it and how they sound. For the price, really nice sound, really clear, nice deep bass, and they really do project the sound throughout the room. and as I said, you can use for your PC. They're more of a multimedia setup than anything else. They've no Bluetooth, which is a pity, no remote control. The other two controls are on the back on the main speaker here. This will be the satellite speaker, and it's just simply plug and play and connect. And you can also plug in and listen to your music, and you can also check out the review of these ANC headphones from Edifier, which are fantastic. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more coming soon from Edifier, and check out our other reviews on site, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video, and thanks for watching.